Say something.
This is the first time I will ever have used this drone. It's a DJI Mavic Air 2, and let's hope I don't crash it.
Oh my god, it looks like an alien down there. I gotta close up. Oh my goodness, it's really like a bug or what? What kind of creepy creature is that? Yeah, some kind of a different species of crab, crawfish, or and here's the pilot. The pilot is getting ready, and we're about to, in 3 minutes from now, we're going to take off. This is Philippine Airlines flying direct from United States of America to the Philippines.
God, I hope it's not Philippines Airlines. We crash for sure.
No, Philippine Airlines don't crash. Yeah, that's our flag bearer with our captain Quinn Akins. And
I have to keep clicking these. I agree to fly.
oh my god, you have to agree to fly, otherwise. There we go. It's ready for takeoff. Oh my god. Wow. I can't even see it right there. I can't even see now. Where is it?
Oh wow.
What? What happened? Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Is it taking pictures?
I'll have it take a video of us, okay?
Okay. So that I can stop this.